How to see and hide who you are following on Facebook. Hey guys, in today's guide, I'll show you how to hide who you follow on Facebook. If you don't want others to see the pages, people, or profiles you follow, Facebook gives you a simple privacy option to control this. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the menu. From the list, select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Here, you will see an option of Followers and Public Content. Tap on it. Here, look for an option Who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow. Tap on it, and you'll see different privacy options: Public, Friends, Friends Except, and Only Me. To completely hide who you follow, select Only Me and then tap on Save. And that's it. Now no one else can see who you follow on Facebook, giving you more privacy and control over your profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips and tricks.